Good morning. My name is Daniel Samuels. I'm the Headboy at Bustamante High School. This scholarship will aid me in the pursuit of my education to be an electrical engineer. In the future, I would like to pursue my dreams and aspirations to be an electrical engineer, and this scholarship will aid me enhance my ability to do so.
Hello. Greetings to everyone. I am Beverly Mills Smith, Vice Principal at Bustamante High School. We are very happy that Dr. Jones came on board to hand over a grant in the form of a scholarship to one of our students. We know that he will ensure that it is used as according to how it should be. And we are hoping that other entities come on board and help students in the rural schools because they're definitely